Hey, it's Wolf here. Hey, love to have you here back on this channel. In today's video, we're going to look at total crypto market cap, and I'm going to show you like my hypothesis on where we end up in the next bull run. I think that the next bull run will be around 2024. Okay, so right now I'm telling you it's the best time to start building positions for whatever you want to invest in, whatever is in your circle of companies. I'm building portfolio for decentralized finance, gaming, crypto, and also NFTs. There's massive opportunities in all of these areas because the reason for that is because in the bull run everything gets overvalued. In the bear market everything gets undervalued, and also in the bear market all the next innovations for the next bull that launch that are catalysts for the next bull run are created. So you can basically in the bear market buy new stuff that's catalyst for the next bull run for very cheap. For example, think about like CryptoPunks, for example. If you happen to catch those, and if you understand them, and if you build positions, you can make incredible amounts of money. Like literally, a lot of people can't see this opportunity because they haven't been here in crypto space to see the cycles. Okay, I got into cryptocurrencies in 2017, so I've been through two bull cycles and one full bear cycle. And I can tell you, if you want to make crazy money, you want to be in the bear market. The big money is not made in the bull market. The big money is made in the bear market. Right now we are in the bear market. Right now is when the big money is made. A lot of people are missing this out because it's because of the cognitive biases. For example, social proof. Right now, if you go to Twitter or anything else, or look at news, people are saying that we are going to zero, everything will go to zero, like humanity is like doomed and stuff like that. And that's exactly the opposite of what happened in the bull run. In the bull run, for example, when stocks went up and crypto went up, everything was okay. This is the next paradigm. Everything is it's going to be like blah blah blah. And now we are at the exact opposite. So you need to have realistic understanding of what's happening here and just like try to avoid emotions in general. Anyway, so you can see here, this chart has been going on since 2013, right? So we had bull run in 20, it doesn't show you here, but there was a bull run in 2011, 2013, 2015, 20 kind of like 2017 when the 2018 started, like you can see the momentum here. And then we had in 2021 and 2022 bull run. Okay, so but it was 2021 bull run. It just got extended because everything went like crazy. Right now we are here. You can see that the market capitalization is around 1 trillion, right? And that was the all-time high market capitalization back in 2018. Okay, and then we got low as so you can see that the market cap is already like 10x from the last bear market. You can see like it's like 10x, okay, from the last bear market, which is insane. So you can see that you can literally see the growth of cryptocurrencies. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Like if you don't build portfolio right now in this bear market, in the next bull run it will it will 10x up again or even more. So in the next bear market in 20, it could be like 2027 or something like that. The market capitalization will be like 10 trillion or something like that. Or you can so make sure that you don't miss this opportunity. That's what I'm saying here, because think about like from here to like 5 to 6 years from here on, that's when the next bear market could have like start. You know what I'm saying? So if you miss this cycle, you have to wait many more years, and humans don't live well. We have tons of time. If you read the Seneca on the shortness of life, the famous philosopher, very great book by the way, Seneca on the shortness of life, he talks about that humans have a lot of time. It's not that we have a short time, it says we waste a lot of that time. So make sure that you don't waste time in the bear market. I'm telling you, I wish that somebody would have pounded this message back into my head back here in this bear market. Look at this opportunity. All this opportunity. I was just doing, I was launching businesses and stuff like that. I should have been launching businesses in crypto space, by the way. But anyway, you can see, boom, massive valuations here. And right now we are back in the bear market. Technology is not going to slow down. Technology is not going anywhere. This is groundbreaking technology that is going to change the world. Everything will be tokenized. Okay, everything will go on chain. Okay, so the money will be insane, but only if you build positions. Okay, So with that being said, I think that in the next bull run, for example here, right now we got around 3 trillion market cap. I think we are going to go at least 10 trillion in the next bull run, like at least, in my opinion. I personally think that it's going to be way higher, and the reason for that is if you look at, if you have been if you're in the memberships that I've shown you, for example, all of the in the last month 4, I showed you all the partnerships, for example, that Polygon's having, and integrations, meaning every all of the institutions, everybody is coming into crypto, and that money, that's a big money. If you have seen the one of my presentations where I show you that net worth of the planet Earth is 500 trillion, okay, all of that is going to go on chain, all of it. So with that being said, right now we are in around 1 trillion, right? We are around 1 trillion right now. Okay, so there's tons of money to be made, but you can already see that the opportunity is slowly going away, because if you don't take action right now, someone else will, and someone else will reap the benefits. Okay, we will not have opportunity like this in our lifetime. This is our only, if I'm telling you, this is your only chance if you truly want to get it. Think about, for example, those who were in the dot-com bubble back in like 20 years ago, right? It's 20, if you were, for example, like 30 years old, right now you might have this opportunity, but you would already be like 50 years old. Okay, think about that. There could be opportunities, but you would already be so old that it doesn't even, like, it's not the same thing. So right, like I'm telling you right now, if you are in your 20s or even 40s or 50s, this is kind of like your shot at it. Okay, so don't squander it around. Make sure that you take full action and full responsibility on your finances. I'm telling you. So I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. I'm building portfolios, okay, for 3 very bullish sectors that I understand. So decentralized finance, okay, also gaming, because everything is kind of like gamified at this point. Everything, like, I was just reading an article about it, that everything, like, if you think about like sports tracker, that's health gamified. Gaming is a lot bigger. It's a lot bigger than a lot of people are, So and then NFTs. Everything will be tokenized. Okay, everything will go on chain. So 200, by the way, 250 trillion. So half of this 250 trillion is in decentralized finance. So that's why DeFi is massive opportunity, massive money, big money. Gaming also massive money, and the reason for that is because gaming and NFTs kind of like they go hand in hand, and this is where the normal people get into cryptocurrencies, because we are still in the, if you look at the Crossing the Chasm book, if you read that, we can see that we have the like kind of like early people, then we have kind of like the kind of like the first users, and then we have this pit of death where 99% of projects fail. Okay, and then we have the adapters, and then we have the late, kind of like these guys are the late ones. So who, for example, when mobile phones started being big, these the late people are who still had the old, like, with the buttons and stuff like that, and then in the later on they converted into smartphones, right? So, and then we have the, the majorities here, kind of like so yeah, so right now we are still here. So we haven't crossed this chasm. Once we cross this chasm from that crypto crosses this chasm from the majority, you are too late. You've lost your opportunity. I'm telling you, you lost your opportunity. And right now we are here. So that's why I'm creating these videos to show you that right now, if you truly want to get it, it's time to take action. So what I'm personally myself doing is, again, I'm building portfolios, and how I'm building them. If you look at the market caps right now, or any crypto, charts, it's going to be around 1 to 2 year bear market, right? So right now we are kind of like here. I think that everything will drop here. Again, very high chance of we are dropping, but then we start building momentum. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just buying This whole bear market, I'm buying and searching for the best projects, and in the next bull run, crazy moon. Okay? And a lot of people don't want to do this because it's uncomfortable. It's uncomfortable because when you buy the stuff, okay, when you, for example, here's the chart, like everything was up in 2021 and 2022. Right now we are in the bear market here, so I'm buying here, boom boom boom. But when everything, probably is still going to go down, and I will buy more. So a lot of people don't want to buy here because it means that they sit underwater, meaning that when you buy, for example, $100, when you buy token X, you will have the valuation is like $50. It drops like 50 bucks. So people are like, oh, I'm losing money. But it doesn't matter if you lose money in the short term. You can just, if you believe in the project in the first place when you bought it, you can just buy more, okay? And then in the next bull run, when it goes to like $1,000 per token, you can just, the profits will be crazy. So that you always have to calculate risk reward, and everybody has their own risk reward, kind of like how much risk you can take. I learned this from my mentor. Everybody's, because we are different in a sense that we have our own like DNA and environment, whatever. So we have our own risk levels. Okay, I have pretty big kind of like a risk tolerance. I don't sweat about it. So that's great for me. So I'm willing to take risk also for my, like, the opportunities right now. The way of the opportunity is so big, and also my age and my experience and knowledge, I'm willing to take a bigger bets, okay? But at the same time, don't never make bets that are stupid. For example, you buy a portfolio and then just buy one token. That's just moronic, okay? That's moronic. So you want to manage your risk. You want to build positions in a smart way, and that way you can make a ridiculous amount of money in the next bull run. Okay, so I hope that this helped you, inspired you, and everything comes down to, by the way, so you just get knowledge, okay, and then you make plan, and then you take action, okay. And it's funny, if you look at my channel, I made videos back in 2020, and kind of like, I think this was 2020 or 2019, and talked about in the bear market, like and the tokens and blah blah. I did kind of stuff, and it's funny to look these videos back in the next bull run, and people will come back to this video and say, "Oh, Wolf was right," and "Whoa, this is insane." But I'm telling you right now, if you're watching this in the bear market, you have the opportunity. You don't have to come back in the next bull run and be like, "Whoa, I wish I did. Wish like I looked. I wish that I like listened to what Wolf had to say." Just please, like, I'm I really want a lot of people to take this action, because I know like times are harder, and it's probably getting harder financially. And in just a couple of years, you can enjoy the life that you have dreamed all along. You don't have to slave away 9 to 5 jobs. You don't have to do that. Get knowledge, make a plan, and take action. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see my memberships, you can check out links in description. Join there. They are so cheap. I'm literally giving away all the information for free. And I'm here for the whole bear market. So if you need any help, you can always email me. You can email me blog money media at gmail.com. See you in the next videos. I'm not a financial advisor. Thank you so much, and peace out.